Hello friends, welcome you all to the sixth day. Ganeshotsav, the story of grace. Day 6, the wisdom within. It's a gentle shift from celebration to reflection, where silence becomes sacred and stories become teachings. Day 6, the wisdom within, where the divine speaks softly and the listener becomes the learner. Lord Ganesha sits in serene meditation atop a glowing lotus, crowned in gold and draped in jewels. Sanskrit verses float gently in the air, their flames flicker softly, and the forest glows with reverent light. The mouse listens quietly, not as a follower, but as a learner. The drums have quieted, the petals have settled, and now, the silence begins to speak. He sits not to rest, but to remember. Each ritual, each offering, each step of the journey has become a verse in the scripture of the soul. No longer follows, he listens. And Ganesha, no longer dancing, begins to teach. On this day, we do not ask for blessings. We receive wisdom. We do not chant aloud. We hear the echo of our own hearts. The whispering scroll, a luminous moment where Lord Ganesha sits beside an ancient scroll that unfurls in the breeze. Each verse glows softly, revealing timeless teachings. Truth is not loud. Grace walks slowly. Wisdom listens before it speaks. The forest breathes gently in the background, marigold petals drift through the air, and Sanskrit verses shimmer like whispers of the divine. The scroll did not shout. It opened slowly, like a breath of the divine. Each verse glowed, not to impress, but to guide. And Ganesha, crowned in silence, watched the words settle into the heart of the listener. Thank you for your patient watching or listening. Like, share or subscribe for more such videos. Friends, stay tuned to Mentored Learning. Friends, thank you for visiting Mentored Learning channel. Do subscribe.